Welcome back to the Infosys 2026 Masterclass. In the last video, we broke down the physical offline exam pattern for the SP and DSP roles. In a physical test center, you cannot rely on AI or searching for a code snippets. You need to know the core logic. Today, I am going to solve an actual Infosys medium level question, explain the greedy algorithm logic, and walk you through the exact Java code. And make sure you stick around until the every end of this video because I have built a massive completely free digital resources hub that contains the solutions to the all 13 previous Infosys questions to guarantee you to clear this round. Let's get into it. Let's look at the classic Infosys greedy algorithm problem. It's called the RPG game monster problem. Here is the setup. You are playing a game with initial experience level of E. You space n monsters. Each monster has a power level and a bonus value. To defeat a monster, your current experience E must be greater than or equal to the monster's power. If you win, you had the monster's bonus to your experience. You can fight them in any order. The question asks, what is the maximum number of monsters you can defeat? Most freshers panic here. They try to write brute force code that calculates every single possible combination of fighting the monsters. If you do this in the Infosys compiler, you will get a time limit exceeded error. The compiler will reject your code because it takes too long to run. To clear Infosys, you have to write optimized code, and the secret to this specific problem is using a greedy algorithm. A greedy algorithm means making the best, most optimal choice at each step. Think about it logically. If you want to defeat the maximum number of monsters, who should you fight first? The weakest ones, right? You want to fight the monsters with the lowest power first, so you can easily collect their bonus and build up your experience to space the order monsters later. Here is the three-step logic. First, pair each monster's power and bonus together. Second, sort the monsters in ascending order based purely on their power. Third, run a simple loop. If your experience is greater than the current monster power, defeat it, add the bonus, and increase your kill count. Let's translate this logic into Java code so you can see exactly how to implement this in a compiler. First, we create a custom class called monster to hold both power and bonus integer together. Next comes the most important line of code. We create an array of these monsters and use array sort. But we don't just do a standard sort, we use a custom comparator. This tells Java to sort our array of objects strictly by the monster power level, from weakest to strongest. This is the art of the greedy approach. Finally, we run the enhanced for loop. We say if experience is greater than monster power, immediately break, because we cannot defeat this one or any of the stronger ones after it. Otherwise, experience is plus or is equal to monster bonus, and we had our count. Print the count, and you just secured your DSA or SP role. Now, that was just one question. What about other 12 highly repeated Infosys coding problems? Guys, I have been working behind the scenes, and I just launched a completely free dedicated platform for you, Sparrow.in Raytech Stack. I have personally uploaded all 13 top Infosys coding questions, complete with the problem statements, the logic approaches, and the full Java solution code, just like the one we reviewed today. But I didn't stop here. If you click on the interview F&Q tab, I have extracted the official documents to prepare you for the most coding technical and HR interview covering both CS and IT branch topics like automated theory and system architecture and non-CS core topics. The link to this entire platform is in the description and pinned comment below. Go bookmark it right now and make sure you hit subscribe, because in the next few videos I will dropping the ultimate general viva and definitive interview questions to help the crack the HR round easily. Join the Telegram group and check out the website, and I will see you in the next video.